Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to allow topic notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. This way, you can stay up to date with the topics you care about and never miss important updates. Let's get started. First, open X in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the homepage loads, look for the More icon on the left side of the screen. It usually appears as 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on it to open a menu. Next, select Settings from the menu options. This will take you to your account settings where you can customize your experience. Now, find and click on Notifications in the Settings menu. This section controls all your notification preferences. Under Notifications, look for the Preferences option and click on it. Here, you will see different notification categories to choose from. Then, select Push Notifications. This is where you manage the alerts that pop up on your desktop. Finally, find the Topics option and check the box next to it. This enables notifications for the topics you follow or are interested in. Once you've checked the box, your settings will be saved automatically, or you may need to click a Save Changes button if it appears. And that's it. You've successfully enabled topic notifications on X using your PC. Now you'll receive timely updates about your favorite topics directly on your desktop, keeping you informed and engaged. Thank you for watching, and enjoy staying connected with the latest news and conversations on X.